Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great Wednesday. It's your boy Personette here, talking about colleges and life and stuff like that. Today I have a special guest with me, one of my graduates from many years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Arooj.
Hi everyone.
Okay, Arooj, I'm going to ask some quick questions. Okay, Arooj, you graduated. Did you graduate on time? What happens with you?
I graduated actually a year and a half early. So I didn't complete high school in 4 years. I completed them in 2.5.
Whoa, that's pretty impressive. Okay, how did you do that? What were you doing with that?
I had a good group of teachers that really wanted to see me succeed.
I appreciate that.
And I definitely was able to take early, I believe it was called early school, and then PM school and after school. And I was able to take down my Regents in as fast as I could and was done and out of here in
Okay, so you graduate in 2.5 years. What do you do then? You graduate in January. What's the next move?
The next move is college. So basically, at the time, only City Tech and a lot of CUNYs were offering you to jump in midway on January.
So some of them have rolling admissions, and most communities will have that. So when you do your CUNY app, if you're going to apply for CUNYs, you don't really have to put all the 2-year ones. You could just apply to them one at a time, and many of them have different times that you can start.
Exactly.
Okay, so you go to what college?
I went to City Tech for my associates.
Okay, you get your associates there. Where do you get your bachelor's then?
I got my bachelor's at Brooklyn College.
Ooh, okay. So what we're going to try to do for you guys now is we're going to try to compare and contrast a 2-year City Tech experience for associates to your graduate, your bachelor's degree from Brooklyn College. Okay, so why don't you give us some compare and contrast?
So basically, City Tech, I would say, is more so of a high school environment. A lot of you'll bump into your professors. You'll be able to speak to them freely. You know, you'll have that one-on-one connection with them a bit.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it's not more so of like a high school level, but you'll definitely be able to reach out to them. And
now you were talking about the students that were there, though. What's some of the things you saw about the student body at a 2-year school?
The same thing, similar to high school. You don't feel like you upscaled, but it's definitely, for the students that feel like they don't want to automatically get into adult life and be choosing their classes and schedules. And in college you can wake up at 12 and be done by 5, so you get to pick your schedule. So I feel like it's more so of like a high school level. I don't think it's a big jump from high school to City Tech. But Brooklyn College, on the other hand, has a lot more career choices. It's a lot more, even the environment, it's a lot more open, so you're not really bumping into people.
Oh, so you're saying you're talking about it's more spread out and stuff like
exactly. That in the look-wise as well, but definitely in career choices, I feel like it's a lot more open. You have a lot more choices.
So it's got a lot more programs at a City Tech, and so you had more choices that you could make.
Yeah.
What about compare and contrast the education level? Do you feel like it was similar, or?
No, definitely no. City Tech is a lot more easier.
A lot easier, you're saying.
It's definitely
So Brooklyn was more challenging. And what did you get your major in?
I majored in psychology.
And what are you looking to do with that? What career path?
I want to get into, completing my master's now. I want to get into child therapy, but still looking into that, honestly. And Brooklyn College offers a master's program in child therapy.
So that's
you're not really hopping from one place to another, and it's more steady pace.
Okay, hey, thank you so much, Arooj. If you have more questions for her, you can put them in the comments section and I'll run them along. Guys, this just shows you that life's paths aren't straight. She went this way, started there, moved this way, and that's okay. Okay? Thank you so much. Remember, it's your legacy that you're building. Keep it up every day.